Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Schwarze. So for today's lesson, we are going to be drawing autumn landscapes. As you know, fall is here, and that's when the trees, or rather the leaves on the trees, begin to change from green to gold, red, brown, orange, yellow, lots of gorgeous, beautiful colors. So a landscape drawing, as you can see, let me flip it over so you guys can. There we go. Okay. So a landscape drawing is just a drawing of the gray outdoors, and the trees in fall are so beautiful when they change colors. This is why you see so many fall landscape drawings, just because they're so beautiful and popular to draw. So here is one that I drew with colored pencils and crayons. Now you can use crayons if you got them. You can use colored pencils. You can also use markers too. So this is one I drew, and I worked really hard. Now, obviously, I don't expect yours to look like mine. So if you think, oh my God, I can't do that, don't worry, it's all good, okay? So I'm going to take this aside, and I'm going to put a piece of paper down. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this with colored pencils. You can also draw these on your computer, and I'm going to upload another video showing you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is, first, I'm going to make sure I add a ground. We do not want floating trees. So find some green and just add a ground. Because, you know, we don't want our trees to float, because then, well, what if they float away? I mean, that wouldn't be good. And you're going to start by drawing trunks of trees. And I want you guys to draw real trunks with roots to go into the ground. Okay, and don't forget your branches. Please don't draw this. This is what's known in the art community as a lollipop tree. Okay? No lollipop trees. You guys can do so much better than this.
No lollipop trees.
And this is the fun part. This is where you're going to add the leaves. So you can draw circles for leaves if you want to, and kind of make it almost a pointillism tree, like little points everywhere. Let me find some of my other fall colors. Now you're going to be adding lots of reds and browns and oranges and yellows, but you can also add some green too, because just because the leaves start to change colors doesn't mean that they all change colors at once. Okay, if you give me a minute, I'm going to run back and get a red colored pencil. I forgot my red colored pencil, so I'm going to put some red. I'm going to start on a okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I didn't have my coffee this morning. I'm clumsy. So I'm going to start on another tree. I'm going to give it some roots right here. I'm going to give it a few branches. Now, here I'm just going to kind of draw like an outline almost of the leaves. And I'm just going to kind of start shading it in a little bit. I'm going to shade it in different colors. Give it a touch of green right here. I'm going to give it some yellow. Orange. Last but not least, a little red. Okay. So hopefully you get the idea. Now, if you're thinking, well, I don't like drawing, I'd rather would make it out of things I already have at home. That's great. Let me get another piece of paper. Actually, I'll just flip this one over. So you can make one out of things you have found at home. These are little beads and blocks and sticks that I have in my art classroom, but you guys can use whatever. You know, I was thinking over the weekend that, you know, pretzel sticks would make good tree branch or tree trunks and branches. So I'm just gonna put my little trees right here. Count them 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna add a ground. I gotta say, I am thrilled with you guys because I've been getting a lot, and I did it again. My hand is just too hyper here.
Bad hand!
That's better. Anyway, as I was saying, I am really happy with you guys because I've been getting a lot more artwork turned in. Remember, if you are finished with your work, you can always text it to my Google Voice number, or you can send it via email with my email address if you can't upload to Google Classroom. And I've had a lot of you reach out to me through email or Google Voice, and I've helped you guys upload your work. So again, don't be afraid to reach out to me. So let's get some leaves going on here. The round beads never want to stay put. Why could that be? Maybe because they're round and they roll everywhere. When you open up this project on Google Slides, I want you guys to read or listen or both to each slide very carefully and make sure you follow instructions. I'm even using some crayon bits here. But I cannot wait to see your beautiful fall landscapes. Yeah, I'm just sprinkling. I think I'm going to put a few leaves on the ground. Okay, so here is my fall landscape drawing made out of things I found around my classroom. You can make one with things that you find around your house. Do at least 2 trees, okay? And of course, you know, you can always draw one. If you're having trouble with any part of this project, please reach out to me. Again, Schwarze at kcpublicschools.org, 816-482-9743. That's my Google Voice number in case I haven't said it a billion times by now. Anyway, I miss you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see your beautiful faces again. And I look forward to seeing your beautiful, beautiful artwork. Okay, thanks. Goodbye.